In the last episode, we were mostly in a Netflix and YouTube chill kind of vibe. We talked about how your Galaxy smartphone paired with a Samsung DEX can actually give you a good home theater experience. You might even consider doing it for your dorm or temporary office. Speaking of dorms, I'm sure you went one when you were in college. If you're not in a dorm, maybe you went to a rented house with housemates. If you experienced living away from home for a prolonged period of time as a student, you know that having your schoolwork done on time is a must. Some may say that lower student productivity is due to distractions provided by the student's smartphone. This may be true to many occasions, however, we can also ask the question, what if we use the smartphone as a productivity device for schoolworks? How can we go about doing this? If you're doing office tasks like making school PowerPoint presentations, typing school papers, or organizing your notes on spreadsheets, then Samsung DEX full PC capabilities can do all these no problem. If you have a dedicated school laptop, then maybe these information isn't exactly for you. A DEX setup can be a PC or a laptop, but if you have something specifically built for portability and power, then use it first. So in what scenario can DEX be a viable option? If you don't carry a laptop with you, yes, if you're that school kid who doesn't carry their laptop everywhere, then DEX can be your computer in your dorm or school. You go to school just with your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. You take notes, do school stuff, interact with people. Then you go home, plug in your Samsung Galaxy smartphone on DEX, and do your assigned homeworks. You can even use your TV or attach a monitor if you want. It's like taking your computer with you anywhere. You can use Google or Microsoft or WPS for your office applications. What's great about this is you can open what you created on your paper while you're on your way to school the next day. You can quickly edit your PowerPoint on the go. You can view your notes. You can update your calendar. Then when you go back home the next day, you're on a wider screen again. If you can make this work for you, then this can be a cost-effective solution. You won't have to buy a laptop and a smartphone. All you need is your Galaxy smartphone and a $50 DEX setup, like what we did in our very first episode. If this isn't practical enough, then I don't know what is. In our next episode, we'll tackle how we can use DEX potential to be a gaming console. And will it even work? I hope you like this episode of Practical DEX. Please like and subscribe so you can be updated for new episodes in the future. Thank you for watching. Cheers!